Members of the Edo State Council of Nigeria Union of Journalists (NUJ) during the weekend took jabs of the Oxford AstraZeneca COVID-19 vaccine. The jabs were administered by officials of the Edo State Ministry of Health at the NUJ Secretariat in Benin as members came out in their numbers to get inoculated. Facilitator of the exercise, Festus Alenke, said it was necessary for journalists who are frontline workers to get vaccinated against the virus.
The ongoing worldwide COVID-19 vaccine, Nigeria is taking its turn, and Edo State is not also left out. So we, the fourth estate of the realm that are reporting activities of COVID-19 vaccine, we felt that we have to also take, and then we have them here in our house today. I hardly facilitated it, speaking with the Commissioner for Health. I must say thank you to the Commissioner for Health, at least for bringing the men here to the press center in the NUJ for journalists to take their turn in taking the vaccine. So to me, I've taken mine, and I'm sure that those who are listening or watching us now will also like to take theirs very quickly.
Secretary NUJ Edo State Council Titus Akigbe, who also got vaccinated, lauded the exercise and urged eligible members of the public to present themselves and be vaccinated.
Initially, I had my doubts, but having taken the jab now, I think it is good for all Nigerians to take it. It is good to be vaccinated. It is safe.
In Edo State, over 32,000 have so far been vaccinated in the first phase of the vaccination exercise.